Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Grade 1, the last unit, the last lesson, Onometopoeia. Onometopoeia is a figure of speech. Onomatopoeia is a word that sounds like what it really means. In simple words, we can say onomatopoeia are sound words. Onomatopoeia are words that imitate the sounds of the object that they describe. Imitate का मतलब होता है कॉपी करना. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि हमें बताया गया है बिल्कुल उसकी साउंड भी वैसी ही होती है, ऐसी ही कॉपी होती है. Such as tick tock of a clock. The sound of cutting the log is swish 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 swish. Tick tock is onomatopoeia. Such as we throw a stone into the water, the sound is like plop. Such as the sound of bee is buzz buzz. When the duck speaks, the sound is quack quack. So these all words are onomatopoeia. In the story Anwar's dream, the tree branch breaks off. The tree branch breaks off with a creak creak creak. You can see here the branch is breaking. The branch is breaking, so the sound that produce creak, crick, crack. This rocking chair making a noise creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Great. And in Kabir's computer, the computer goes buzz, trip, flip, flip, flip. The sound that computer made buzz, trip, flip, flip, flip. When duck quack, the sound is quack, quack. The sound of horn is honk, honk. The sound of telephone ring is tring, tring. The sound of train is chuk, chuk, chuk. The main sound is chuk, chuk. The barking of dog, the sound is woof, woof. The pig is oink. The wolf is howled. The snake hiss. Cat meow, meow. Cow moo. When we eat something crunchy, it produces sound crunch. Same like this, there are so many onomatopoeia sounds: crash, zap, crunch, bang, pop, squeeze, sneeze. The sound of door is creak creak. The sound of lion is when it roars, roar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.